and today we are looking at subtracting proper fractions. However, the last lesson, we learned how to add fractions. I hope you did the work. Check out the answers. Number 1, increase 2 to 5th by 4 to 3rd. The answer is 7 1/15. Number 2, 3 1/3 plus 4 1/2 would give you 7 5/6. Number 3, what number is 1 2/3 more than 5 3/4? You add them together and you should get 7 whole number 5/12. Well done. I'm very sure you got all of them correct. So let's go to what we have to do today. Subtracting proper fractions. The process of subtracting fractions is the same as adding fractions. The only difference is instead of adding, you take away. Let's see the first example. Example 1 is very easy. As you can see, it says 8/9 minus 5/9. 8/9 take away 5/9. The denominators are the same, so you simply subtract the numerators. And we all know that 8 take away 5 is 3, and the denominator is 9. However, we have a fraction that can be reduced to its lowest term here. And anytime you're working with fractions, do your best to reduce your fractions to the lowest term or the simplest form. What can divide 3 and 9 without a remainder? It's 3. So 3 divide 3 and 9 divide 3. That gives us 1/3. So the answer to 8/9 minus 5/9 is 1/3. Easy. Example 2. 3/4 minus 1/6. Here the denominators are different. So what do? We find the LCM of 4 and 6. What do you think the LCM of 4 and 6 is? It's 12. LCM of 4 and 6 equals 12. So we write both of them as fractions with denominator of 12. 3/4 is equal to what over 12? 4 times 3 is equal to 12, so we multiply the numerator by 3. And that gives us 9/12. Also, 1/6 is equal to, this is so easy, 6 times 2 is 12. So multiply the numerator by 2. 1 times 2 over 6 times 2. So 1/6 is equal to 2/12. So our sum is 3/4 minus 1/6 is equal to 9/12 minus 2/12. And that gives us 7/12. Remember, we are subtracting proper fractions. 7/12 have no common factors. 7/12 is in its lowest term. So that's the answer to this sum. Let's see example 3. Example 3. 5/6 minus 3/8. The LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Some of you are used to multiplying the numbers to find the LCM, but that will usually give you a very large number. So as much as possible, use the lowest common multiples of the numbers you are dealing with. 6 times 8 is 48, but the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24. So 5/6 minus 3/8 is equal to, we need a denominator of 24. 6 in 24 is 4. And 5 times 4 is 20. We're going to take away 8 in 24 is 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. So it becomes 20 take away 9 over 24. 20 take away 9 is 11. So the difference between 5/6 and 3/8 is 11 over 24. Let's try another one. Example 4. 49 over 100 take away 4 over 20. The numbers look very large, but it's actually very easy. What's the LCM of 120? There are 5 20s in 100. So the LCM is actually 100. LCM of 120 equals 100. So 49 over 100, take away 4 over 20 becomes, we write it as a fraction with a denominator of 100. The 49 remains the same because 100 into 100 is 1. And 1 times 49 is 49. And we take away 20 into 100 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So we're going to subtract 20 from 49. 49 minus 20 equals 29 over 100. Again, 29 over 100 is in its lowest term. There are no common factors apart from 1. There's no other number that can divide 29 and 100 without a remainder. My name is Ngozi Orevaoghene. Follow me on Ngozi Orevaoghene's Maths blog. Once you get on the blog, there are lots and lots of practices you can get. For example, the lesson we just had, go to the blog, look out for the exercises and work them out. Log on to it with the address you can see on the screen. Always remember, math is fun and you can do it. See you soon.